nag-drop kayo sa kanya eh. That's why he gets away with it. You have to take a stand. Nasisira tayo rito all because of him.
Walang right.
Diba? Tama o mali. Diba? My goodness, food.
Kasayahan tayo.
Oh my gosh, food. At saka,
Kasi ng birthday ng kaibigan niya.
at saka, mami naman, no?
Kawawa naman si Alvin,
Birthday na birthday ko.
Wait, actually, hindi ko alam na ganun pala ang nangyari. Ngayon ko lang
Ka
nabasa.
naman plastic is really your best friend.
No, attorney, you cannot label me like that. Relax, relax. Because I'm trying to explain right now.
Ako kasi yung binalastin.
Kaya nga, I didn't know. Kung hindi siya sumigaw, hindi ko malaman.
Pero sinasabi ko kasi, huwag ka nang magpapaplastic.
Why would you say that I'm plastic?
Tell us, do you think what he's doing is correct or not?
I'm trying to talk to him kasi nga, this is not good kasi hindi naman pala humba. Give me a chance to talk to him. Kaya nga, hindi pala humba. Let me talk to him privately.
There's right and there's wrong. And
You cannot intimidate me with shouting like that.
No, I'm not intimidating.
I can make a stance without shouting.
Well, okay.
So don't intimidate me. Because I'm not intimidated.